First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and we're going to type how to market skincare on social media for free. And you can do this with any niche. And according to ChatGPT, you can do this by defining your target audience, creating engaging content, using hashtags, collaborating with influencers, hosting giveaways and contests, engaging with your followers, sharing user-generated content, and looking at your analytics. Then we're going to ask ChatGPT about the best hashtags to use to market skincare on social media. And they include hashtag skincare, hashtag beauty, hashtag self-care, hashtag skincare routine, hashtag glowing skin, hashtag natural beauty, hashtag cruelty-free, hashtag vegan skincare, and hashtag organic skincare. Another approach we can take is by asking ChatGPT what are some struggles people face when taking care of their skin. And you can do this with any other niche. And these struggles include identifying their skin type, choosing the right skincare products, consistency, sun protection, skin concerns, and lifestyle factors. And you can ask ChatGPT to explain each point in further detail. It'll then explain each point in further detail in a matter of seconds to minutes. You could then ask ChatGPT to create a marketing campaign for skincare, and this works for any niche. And this marketing campaign will include your campaign name, target audience, objective, tagline, and your key message. And you can also ask ChatGPT to give you the best hooks for skincare. It will then give you a list of hooks that you can use in your social media content, and this works in all niches. You can also ask to describe your target audience in the skincare niche. And you can look at factors such as demographics, skin concerns, lifestyle, values, and behavior. And you can ask to explain in further detail. And you can also ask ChatGPT to write a script for a video about skincare. And this can be done in any niche. And this will make it easier for you to create your video. And if you want to go viral on TikTok, you can ask ChatGPT to write you a viral TikTok idea. And if you run out of content ideas, you can just ask ChatGPT to write them for you. And for skincare, this can include my nighttime skincare routine, DIY skincare routine, morning skincare routine, skincare for acne-prone skin, skincare for sensitive skin, skincare for men, and skin Q&A. And if you want to know how to make money with ChatGPT and YouTube, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.